So I nominated Isla because I've had her for 2 modules this year, and I think she's a fantastic lecturer. It's for several reasons. So one of them is that she does different types of assessment. So you've got like a book review or a film review and an exam and an essay, and then a presentation and working in groups, which means that if you find one particular assessment hard, then it's a lot easier, and you can learn new skills as well as doing better maybe in some assessments than others. She's also a fantastic lecturer in terms of challenging stereotypes. So with her modules I've looked at the Middle East, but also with Third World Studies, and she's been great with, so often you get images portrayed by the media and politicians, but she's been great at challenging those stereotypes and making you rethink the way that you look at the world, and looking at specific countries in different lights.